Hey guys, welcome back. So I've belabored the point many times. If you're ever looking for something in particular for the AK platform, don't forget to check out Block Market. I was out there one morning and I found a set. It was the newer production, I guess. I want to say WBP actually makes it, of the Polish laminate furniture. And the guy he had that, and he had a Polish fatty grip for like 160, and I was like, that's a pretty good deal. You know, that means if you spend like 60 on the fatty, you get the whole stock set for like, you know, $100. So basically, the reason I got this was, if you guys go back and reference my Riley Defense, that was the cheapest AK I've ever actually gotten. It came with the plastic furniture, and I'm like, man, I really want to change that out. That looks kind of ugly. So I happened to pause upon this one. This had been previously fitted to a gun, so I'm not super worried about fitment. If it's a little loose, you know, whatever, no big deal. It's going on my Riley Defense, and I'm going to have a lot of fun with that, doing some testing on it. So there's going to be some future videos on that. It just may be a while. Bear with me. We have a heat index of about 110 here currently, and the weather stinks. So, yeah, as soon as you walk outside, it feels like a sauna. But anyway, without further ado, let's check this out. I really want to take a look at this Polish fatty, and I want to see what all's been done to this stock set. Hopefully, hopefully nothing too terrible. But I still think it'll work just fine for that Riley Defense, and that is the whole reason I got it. So we're going to check it out. Make sure my name's not anywhere on here. Alright, okay, so it looks like this has a little bit of a subdued finish. I can tell one thing. The guy I got it from smokes. I have a very sensitive sense of smell. Yep, and that's exactly what that smells like. But be that as it may, you know, just let this stuff air out and it'll be fine. Upper handguard, retaining clip. That's a plus. Definitely need that. Lower handguard looks just fine. No issues there. No cracks. Nothing outside the ordinary. Now the hard part, the good thing is you can get these through AOA and some other places, and Atlantic, things like that, but oftentimes it's hard to catch them in stock. This one looks like he did a little bit of prying on the front side of that socket there, so I may have to clean that up just a little bit, and it has Phillips head screws. We're going to be taking them out for sure and replacing those with the OGs. Now the other reason I got it is it also has a cleaning kit in there. So those alone will run you 10 to 15 bucks typically. So I'm happy that that's in there. I don't know if he did a furniture swap. I don't know what this guy did. I never did really ask him. But I was thinking, well, get the stock set, cleaning kit, plus a Polish fatty to go along with it. Heck yeah, why not? And there, of course, is our Polish fatty. These things are getting harder and harder to find as people have become aware of them. This one's in really good shape. It's just kind of a, I guess, kind of a boring color, if you could say that. But that's okay. Probably going to take and basically clean this up some, make it look a little better, give it a little bit shinier texture, and make it look really nice. So I may clean it, may do some super light sanding on it. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. But yeah, really cool, nice Polish fatty. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys today because, you know, you can always find cool stuff on Block Market if you look for it. Kind of unfortunate about the smoke smell, but it is what it is. It'll air out. It'll be okay. But we're definitely going to get those screws out of there. Of course, there are a little bit of pry marks on that socket, but like I said, this is going on my Riley Defense. AK, I don't really care. So, but it's going to be cool once I get it together, and I'll show you guys some pictures of that when I get it done. But just wanted to share this with you guys today. Once again, never forget about that nice little avenue to get some things. You never know what you're going to find. And a lot of times you can find a lot of very uncommon things out there. So I'll just leave it at that. As always, guys, big shout out to my subscribers. Thank you guys in advance for all your likes, your shares, your comments. And until next time, you guys have a great day.